This is a 50-year-old male patient with a chronic high-grade AC joint instability following hook plate stabilization. The following video shows the revision with acromioclavicular and coracoclavicular graft augmentation. After skeletonizing the undersurface of the coracoid process, a transclavicular transcoracoidal K-wire is used and overdrilled with a 4 mm cannulated drill bit. The graft can now be shuttled upwards along with a fiber tape. Once the graft is in place, the dogbone can be placed over the graft by pulling on the fiber tape ends. The free end of the graft is pulled upwards in front of the clavicle, and after reduction the two ends of the graft are knotted together and secured using Ettibond sutures. A second dogbone is used on the clavicle to complete the fiber tape dogbone construct. Now the scope is switched to the subacromial space, and again 2 4 mm drill holes are placed in the acromion. The long end of the graft is now shuttled over the AC joint and pulled down and up through the 2 drill holes. Finally, it is knotted back to the fiber tape's ends, thus completing the repair.